I'm just taking time to make the proper use of my influence. Couple 100,000 cash, a few haters, lawyer fees for new cases, and a box of blunts later I give you.
Are you illiterate?
All right.
Can you not know the difference from a B to a P? I'm asking.
Well, hold on now. Doesn't that apply to you, though? Don't you know the difference between a P and a B?
Yes, I do. And if she would have showed me when I
What
was
happened?
sitting down,
Don't you know
not
your
laying on my
ABCs?
stomach, you don't know your ABCs.
You clearly
Obviously,
don't.
you
This
cannot
is your
spell a
design.
Ladies,
word.
talk
This
to
is
me.
your design.
Talk to me. Miss Stewart, who likes granny porn? I mean, you had to know that.
I don't know her life.
How do you think I feel trying to go to a family barbecue? I can't even go outside now without wearing a jacket.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
literally like 85 degrees outside and I have to wear a jacket
This
at
is
recess with
embarrassing.
my kids. This is so embarrassing. I'm mortified. I was trying to just honor
She
my
said
grandmother
mortified.
and now I have my whole family against me.
Let's call this what it is.
Bro.
Miss Stewart, you...
She missed. I was sitting here the whole time like, what is she talking about? What is with the P and the F and all of that other good? Man, that's messed up. That's messed up. But is it really a personal injury case? That's more like a lawsuit. If somebody misspelled, is it personal injury? That's maybe it got infected. Hopefully it didn't get infected. But damn, look at her tattoo.
Embarrassing. I'm mortified.
Look at
I
this
was trying to
tattoo.
just honor my grandmother and now I have my whole family against me.
Look at that, and that's kind of... I ain't gonna lie, y'all tell the truth. Comment below. If you got a bad tattoo, alright, since we on the bad tattoo, this is one of my bad tattoos. I got some tattoos. This is the worst, not the worst one, but I'm gonna let y'all see if y'all know this. Right here. Right here. If you can't recognize the error, then that's a good thing. But I'll point it out to y'all in case y'all. You see that right there? That little point right there? That was a mistake. That was a mistake. But no, what she did to her, that was oof. Oof. I'd be hot. I want my money back.
Let's call this what
All
it is.
of
Miss Stewart, you knew that she didn't want the words granny porn on her back, right?
Correct. That is not what I wrote. And if she wants to interpret it that way, it was on her to tell me that she wanted changes.
And it's
And I
well,
can't hear
Wait
what
a
you're
minute
trying.
now. You made a stencil,
She said
some
as
kind of
long as she
transfer,
wrote.
right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it said granny porn.
It said Granny born.
Porn.
Okay, granny born. But you tattooed granny porn.
No, I did not.
Okay,
I'm
well,
not responsible for this.
You can see
That's
on the
wrong.
plasma her note. It says,
Thank you.
I love granny born first. That's a big mistake.
That's what it says.
It says
And
porn.
on your stencil, it says, I love granny porn. Maybe I'm missing something. Born and porn are two different universes.
I would ask you, is this what you want? And if you said yes, then that's what's going on you. She signed a waiver. I mean, I am not responsible for this.
You bring your waiver with you?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
All right, Sheriff Matt, will you get it for me? Thank you, sir.
This is where it can start
got
to
the
get
best.
tricky, for real, for real.
Let's look at it. And Ms. Howard, is that your signature at the bottom?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so it reads, I waive and release to the fullest extent permitted by law all claims, actions, suits against any person of the best little tattoo shop from all liability whatsoever. Then it says, Best Little Tattoo Shop and its employees have given me the full opportunity to ask any question about the procedure and application of my tattoo, and all of my questions, if any, have been answered to my total satisfaction. After such consultation, I have agreed to have the procedure. Let me give you a legal lesson. You must read legal documents when you sign them, especially when you waive all of your rights in case something bad happens. You sign this, and if this taken in a vacuum, this case is over and you lose.
Damn.
Now, it is not in a vacuum because this court has to consider all the evidence, but this waiver is very important. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Folks, to understand tattoos and the business of tattoos, this court has brought reality star and tattoo artist Cat Tat is here today. Sheriff Matt, will you bring Cat Tat into the courtroom?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, let's cut. Tat Cat. Tat.
Miss Cat. Now you've recently opened your own
Okay.
shop. Tell me about that.
Yes, we actually just recently celebrated the 1-year anniversary for my shop. It's called Enigma Tattoo. We're located in Beverly Hills.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Now you've tattooed a lot of celebrities, right?
Yes.
Like who?
I've tattooed Idris Elba, Faith Evans, Super Bowl champions, Von Miller, Shane Ray, musicians, Young M.A. I mean, countless celebrities are constantly coming through the shop.
You've changed a lot of famous skin, haven't you?
Yeah, you know, I do what I can.
Now, what are your most popular designs?
Well, people come to me for my close attention to detail. I specialize in really anything realistic, so portraits, flowers. I do a ton of cover-ups as well. Maybe like 80% of what I do is cover-ups. People see that I specialize
people
in these
get bad
larger pieces,
tattoos all the
and they think
time.
I can cover anything up. So, yeah.
Are there any rules that apply to tattoos?
Yes, there's a ton. Do your research. Make sure that you're in a professional shop. Make sure that you have researched your artists and they're capable of doing the type of work that you want. Double, triple check spelling, you know.
Have you ever, when showing the tattoo to the client, have you ever shown it to the client while they're lying on their stomach?
You know, my process is I put the design on you and I say, come on, let's walk over to this mirror. You look in the mirror. If it's on your back, I'm going to give you a handheld mirror so you can look at it like this and see what it looks like from that. So I always take extra precautions. It's a permanent procedure.
Man, I was messed up. I was messed up. Like I said, I want all my money back. If she, but then again, she did look at it. I don't know how she didn't see it misspelled if she looked at it before she had it. I don't know. I really wanted to hear what he was going to say. I wanted to hear the decision, but I think that was like a little short episode or a little small skip it. But, man, you got to be careful with them tattoos. Be careful with them tattoos. Matter of fact, I had a tattoo. I had to cover up my whole chest. My whole chest. I got something right here, and it was leaning right here, but then it was facing right there, and then it looked right there. It was bad, man. It was bad. But yeah, at the end of the day, what's her name? The cat lady, she was right. You got to research and what you try and get and make sure whatever you get means something to you. But I think that's pretty much it. I really wish we could have heard the decision, but it's all good. GTG, the family, as always. I love you, and I'm out.